benefits of a plant-based diet. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss various health and wellness topics. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of a plant-based diet. Body. A plant-based diet is one that is centered around consuming plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds while minimizing or avoiding animal products such as meat, dairy, and eggs. 1. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Several studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provides a variety of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help to boost overall health and prevent chronic disease. 1. Weight loss and management. A plant-based diet can also help with weight loss and management. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and higher in fiber than animal products, which can help to reduce hunger and increase satiety. Additionally, many plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are nutrient-dense and can provide the body with the necessary vitamins and minerals it needs to function properly. 1. Improved gut health. A plant-based diet can also improve gut health. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, which can help to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, a diet high in fiber can help to feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can help to improve overall gut health. 1. Environmental benefits. A plant-based diet can also have environmental benefits. The production of animal products requires significantly more resources, including land, water, and energy, than plant-based foods. By consuming a plant-based diet, we can reduce our environmental impact and help to conserve natural resources. In conclusion, a plant-based diet can provide a variety of health benefits, including a reduced risk of chronic diseases, weight loss and management, improved gut health, and environmental benefits. By incorporating more plant-based foods into our diets, we can improve our overall health and well-being while also helping to protect the planet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.